It's a beautiful day in Branson, Missouri, and I have my hunk of burning love with me today. And we are going to make you something easy for supper. This is going to be French onion, onion, what?
I don't even know.
Crispy onion crunch.
No, crispy onion.
Crunchy onion, crispy onion, crispy chicken crunch. Crispy chicken crunch.
Onion.
Crispy onion.
French onion chicken?
French onion.
Chicken crunch.
Chicken crunch. French onion chicken crunch.
Maybe we should have put a little thought into that before we start making this.
Okay, here we go. This is going to be so easy, and I think you're going to love it. All right, I'm going to put it in this to-go pan. I have my oven set at 350 degrees. If you have a regular casserole dish, use it. I'm using this so you can take it home with you tomorrow.
And use it to drain the wool out of my Harley.
Yeah, sounds good. All right, so what you can use is a rotisserie chicken, but our friendly price chopper here in Branson already shreds it up for you.
Nice.
So, isn't that great? So we went ahead and got 2 packages of this, and this is about a half a pound. And I'm going to go ahead and do 2 of these. So we're going to do 2 half pounds. So we're going to do 1 pound, 1 pound of rotisserie chicken. We might need a bigger bowl. Nah, nope. Yep, we're going to need a bigger bowl. Hold on. I got to get a bigger bowl. That will not work.
It's got holes in the bottom.
Everything sounds good in here, doesn't it?
Absolutely.
All right. All right, so we've got our chicken. Now I'm going to take these green onions and I'm going to put those in there. And I'm just going to use my kitchen scissors to chop these up. I did wash these off, but I'm just going to take my kitchen scissors and chop them in
That's
there.
just to give it color?
Yeah, I just thought it needed a little color because it doesn't have any color to it. And then we're going to do 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. So flop that in. And then you're going to do 1 tub. Show that.
Dean's French onion dip.
Let me put it up here.
Sorry.
Dean's French onion dip. 1 tub of this. And this is how many? I can't know how my glasses on, but here.
16 ounces.
Oh, 16 ounces. All right.
You know, I almost thought about using my favorite dip.
Yeah, the homemade.
But yeah, that's too much work.
Here's a spoon for you.
Come on, Dean.
One can of cream of chicken soup.
You got the name brand. You went all out.
I did. I know, right? I'm going to add 1 package of shredded hash browns. Mr. Dale's. Or you can use All-Rita.
They're all right.
All right. 1 package of hash browns going in.
I'm going to need a boat order to stir this.
Here.
Get something a little more. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now I'm going to put in 1. Woo! Did I spill that?
Yep.
1/4 cup of melted butter. Actually, I think that needs a little.
I knew you were going to say that.
We're not going to just use a 1/4 cup.
I'm gonna get
some
bucket
more.
over there.
I'm going to get some more butter. We're definitely putting more butter in.
Kinder's making everything.
Oh my gosh!
Look
I
at
know.
those.
Yeah.
And I've already sampled some.
So did you tell them what those are?
They're crispy fried onions. No.
Oh, you did. Okay. All right. Crispy fried onions.
Oh, that smells awesome.
Oh, those smell great. I'm loving Kinder.
This reminds me when you get down to the bottom of the onion rings, the little the leftover crunches.
Put a few of those in there. This might make 2
servings
of these.
Oh yeah. Sorry, I didn't know where you're going with that. Isn't this those things you put on?
Much better. Here we go.
You put on.
We're doing a whole cup of butter.
Oh God.
So
that may be too much. There's no such thing as too much butter, is there?
No. So with their
too late to be scared now.
Put a cup of butter in there. I'm telling you, it's going to be better with that 1/4 cup of butter.
What about salt and pepper?
Salt and pepper.
Seasonings.
I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper, coarse black pepper, and
of course,
a little bit of kosher salt. Here you go. This is going to make 2 casseroles. We got a little out of hand here.
There's enough butter for 4.
We did kind of double.
All right, stir till your right arm goes numb, which is right about there.
All right, okay, now we're gonna put these in our casserole dishes. So easy. Look how easy this is. Freeze one or give it away to a neighbor or a friend. And we're gonna take these crispy fried onions. And
Whoever you give it to is gonna be your friend.
That's right.
Oh my God.
And you're gonna put these right on top. I actually got 2 of these.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
I'm starting to get nervous.
I got 2, so let's go ahead.
Run out.
Yeah, let's go ahead and just cover it up really good.
Way better than some dang green beans and stuff. Casserole.
This can replace your green bean casserole for Thanksgiving. Go ahead and finish it off, or unless you're going to snack on those.
No.
All right. There you go. All right. So you're just going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 50 minutes, 50 to an hour. Because I make hash brown casserole, and it takes about an hour. But I think about 50 minutes should do it. So we're going to 5-0. Here it goes. Here it is, bubbling hot, and it smells so good. I'm pretty sure that regular French fried onions are not going to smell this good. That's got to be the best smelling French fried onions that I have ever smelled. So if
I've smelled a lot, and that's the best.
And if you can find some Kinders, get the Kinders. But you did find.
Oh, that smells good.
He found a different brand. Piping hot.
Okay.
So do not just get in there and
I've got
tear it up.
Fork.
Okay. Hold on, that's hot. Don't just take a big bite of it. Oh my gosh. I know you burnt the taste buds off your tongue.
No.
Yes, you did.
I have a hot tolerance for hot food and hot women. That is awesome.
Look how good that looks. Oh my gosh, so easy. Hardest part is waiting until it's done.
That's good, isn't it? And easy.
So easy, so good. Go make this.
And I want to eat all this.
French.
I love this pork.
Chris, what did we say this was?
I don't know.
What did we call this? Crispy chicken, French crispy chicken. French onion for crispy French onion chicken. Crispy French onion chicken.
Casserole.
Crispy French onion chicken casserole. I think the kids will like this too. I think your kids will like it.
I think
Go make it.
I think if you had the patience to let it sit overnight in the fridge, let it, whatever it does, it would be even better.
What does it do? What does it do when it sits in the fridge all night?
Probably just sits in the dark and I don't know. Thinks.
What does it think?
No, what do you call it? Like when something sits and the flavors.
The flavors marry together. They get married.
Oh.
Is that what they do in the dark fridge?
Shit.
They consummate.
All right. Spaghetti, stuff like that is better the next day.
It is. It's always better the next day.
Sometimes chicken, like if you get Roy's chicken.
I love
pizza.
cold chicken. Pizza's good. Oh yeah, this is good. Yeah, that's good. Good idea.
What's not my idea?
He come up with it. I mean, he found it.
Craigslist. I think we could have thrown some bacon bits in there.
Yes.
Moving over the top.
Yeah. Then it would have been chicken, bacon, French onion, crispy casserole.
Chicken instead of chicken bacon ranch, you chicken bacon French.
Chicken bacon French. But we don't have any bacon in this one.
I bet Barbara has a good idea because she's full of them. So, Barbara, why don't you tell us what to call it?
Oh, that's good.
She was bad-mouthing me, so. Son of a... See those cat-like reflexes?
Yes.